Hello, Class 102. Thank you for watching this video. This is your Chapter 3 Bridges Chapter 3 review, right? And Chapter 3 was all about my body. So let's start by just reviewing the vocabulary words, which were body parts. And we're going to start from the very bottom of our body, and we're going to work our way all the way up. So if you think about the end of your body, at the very, very tip, at the bottom of your body, what's the body part? It's your toes. Okay, now let's move up. Then we have feet. Remember, we have 2 feet. One is foot, F-O-O-T. But 2, we say feet. Okay? Okay, now let's move up. Then we have our knee or knees because there's 2. So there should be an S here actually. Knees. Okay, then all of this is our legs. Okay, let's keep moving up. Here are shoulders. Okay, then all of this is our arms. And then at the very tip, what do we have? Our fingers. Okay, good. The last vocabulary word is this right here. Very important part. Okay, it's our head. Okay, good. On your quiz, you're going to have to fill in the blank with some letters. So make sure you know how to spell these words. Let's just give you an example here. So we have 2 missing letters, and we know the word. The word is shoulders. So how do you make the sh sound? You need 2 letters. Do you know what they are? Yeah, it's S-H. S-H makes shoulders. What about this one? You know the word. Fingers. You need to make the sound. Finger. It's E-R. Okay, let's do one more. Oh, this one. We have egg. So you have the L and the S. We need the 2 in the middle. Egg. Egg. It's E and G is missing. Okay. And this one, remember, it's 2. So we're not going to say foot. We're going to say feet. So eat. It's E-E. Okay? Okay. Last one. We have 2 missing letters. We have the and the s. So we need the first part. What is it? It's my arms. So we need R. That's A-R. Arms. Okay. Good job. Let's keep going. So the next thing we did was talking about my face. Remember, this is your head. All of this is your head. And then this part here is your face. And your face has lots of different parts. And we're going to say this or these. So we use it to show or to present something. We say this or these. But do you remember the rule? If it is 1, what are we going to say? This is. If it is 2 or more, we'll say these are. So for example, what is this? This is my face. There's one face. So we say this is. Now I want to talk about 2 things. Am I going to say this is or these are? It's 2, right? So we're going to say these are my eyes. And notice also we have an S at the end of eyes because when we have 2, we need to add an S to nouns, right? We call those plural nouns. Okay, cool. Oh, now it's not me. I have a boy here, and I want to talk about his, what is this? Ears, right? So we have two ears. We're going to say this is or these are. Which one is it? It's these are. You're right. But I think I have a little problem here with the rest of this sentence. So these are is correct, but if I keep reading, look carefully, it says these are my ears. But that is not teacher Aldea. Who is that? I don't say these are my ears. This is a boy. What am I going to write? Instead of my, I'm going to say these are his ears. Not my ears, his ears. Okay, nice job. Let's try one more. Oh, now it's a little different. I want to talk about this. This is my? Mm-mm. This is his? Is this his? No. What are we going to say? This is her nose. So when it is a girl, we say her. This is her nose. Okay, nice job. That's a little tricky. Okay, let's keep going. The last thing we looked at are some other kinds of words. So let's just look at them and I want you to tell me what they are later. So everyone say big, small, tall, tall and short. Next, we have long. So all of these words, big, long, small, short, tall, what kind of words are these? Do you remember? They're not nouns. They're not verbs. They're words we use to talk about things. They are called adjectives. Do you remember that? We use adjectives to talk about something, anything. And it can be size, color, or feeling, and it can be a lot more. Those are just some of the ones that we saw. So, size can be big, small, tall, short, long. Colors, red, blue, yellow, green, orange, black, white. And it can also be, oh, you can't see that there, but it's feelings. So we use the be verb when we are using adjectives, and don't confuse it with the beaver, which is an animal that lives in Canada, and he has long teeth for biting into trees. So speaking of long teeth, let's talk about the vampires here, and let's try to use some adjectives. So first, I want you to talk about size. Let's talk about size. So we would say he is tall. What about the one on the right? Is he tall? No, he is short. You can see those two adjectives in red, tall and short. Now let's talk about color. The one on the left, what color is he? He is green. The one on the right, he is purple. Okay? Next, let's just talk about how they look. So the green vampire, I think he looks scary. He is scary. And the one on the right, the purple one, I think he is cute. So scary and cute are also adjectives. Okay? We can also talk about body parts. So his ears are big. His ears are small. Okay? His nose is small. His nose is big. All right. So, one more time, adjectives are words that we use to talk about anything. And very important, class 102, when we are using adjectives, meaning when we're talking about something, we use the be verb. So The V verb is super important. Let's look at it one more time. So it's I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. So the be verb is special. It's a little different for each person, but it's also very important to know the be verb and to be able to understand how to use it. Okay? So you guys are awesome. Here is the be verb, and awesome is an adjective. And you guys are awesome because you watched this video and now you are done with your homework for tonight. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.